Is the LISEN MagSafe car mount charger the perfect addition to your driving setup? Stay tuned as we find out. Welcome back to TechAutos. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tech and automotive reviews. Today we're unboxing and reviewing the LISEN MagSafe car mount charger. We bought this at full retail price from Amazon, see the link in the description below. What we have today is a combination of a super flexible, folding, adhesive dashboard mount phone holder and a wireless charger. Using MagSafe, or Qi2, the LISEN mount both magnetically holds your phone as well as charges it. Qi is an industry standard allowing for wireless smartphone charging. What Apple added with MagSafe was a set of magnets strong enough to both automatically align the phone with the wireless charger and hold the phone in place. This then became the Qi2 standard. Let's get started. The box is fairly compact and nice looking with an embossed LISEN logo. On the side we have European distributor info. On the back we have a support email address and the model number 2E789. Nothing on the bottom. On the other side we have details from the manufacturer. Let's open the box. First, we have a little bag with a positioning guide and other accessories. Next, we have a quick start guide. We see a list of the provided accessories and a diagram of the mount. We also see the input power profiles on the USB-C port, 5, 9, or 12 volts at up to 18 watts, and the output power of up to 15 watts. Here we see how to affix the mount to your car's dashboard. First, you stick on a base pad. Then you attach the mount to the base pad. Step 6 shows the provided adhesive magnetic ring. This allows the mount to work if your phone or phone case doesn't support MagSafe. Finally, the mount should be plugged into a charger with at least 18 watts of output via USB-C power delivery or Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. Most cars' built-in USB ports are low output, so we'd recommend instead using a separate cigarette lighter charger, of which we've reviewed several. Here we have some reminders of the same information and a QR code that links to some installation videos. Important clarification here, if you're using a phone without a case, then either it should have MagSafe built in, like the iPhone 12 onwards, or you need to attach the magnetic ring provided. If you're using any phone with a case, the case needs to work with MagSafe, which typically means it has a magnetic ring of its own. Otherwise, you'll need to attach the provided ring to your case. Inside the bag, we have a mounting template, wipes, protective covers, the base pad, extra adhesive pads, and the optional magnetic ring. Moving on, we have a USB-C to A cable. If you use this cable, ensure you plug it into a USB-A port with at least 18 watts of Quick Charge 3.0 output. Otherwise, use a USB-C to C cable plugged into a USB-C port with at least 18 watts of output via USB-C power delivery. Finally, we have the mount itself. The top surface is textured and says LISEN. Moving to the sides, we have black plastic and our USB-C port at the bottom. Pulling apart the two sides, we see a high-quality metal link arm bridging the two. The hinges are comfortingly stiff and smooth in operation, and have a broad range of motion, allowing for a lot of mounting flexibility. At the bottom of the base, we see a pre-mounted adhesive pad. The underside of the top part shows the model number and key specs. Our first impressions of the design, materials, and build quality are quite positive. Before we go to the car, let's make sure the mount works. We have a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra in a Taurus case with MagSafe or Qi2 support. It's alive. Now let's install the mount in a Mercedes-Benz GLK 350 SUV. This car's design means other phone mount options like AC vent mounts don't work very well, and it's a great candidate for the LISEN mount. Here's a nice dose of gasoline range anxiety. So the first step will be to install this base pad, which the mount will then be attached to. After some experimentation, this flat area looks like a good mounting spot. We'll use the wet wipe to clear the area. Then the dry wipe to dry. Now we'll peel and install the base pad. The base pad is in place, now let's push down on it. Let's make sure the mount positioning still looks fine. Time to stick it on the base pad. Push down for a good seal. Now we get to see a cool feature. The base of the mount rotates 360 degrees. As with the hinges, the rotation is smooth and confidence-inspiring. This yields lots of potential positions for your phone. You could angle it towards your passenger, for instance. Now we'll plug in the USB-C cable. We're using a USB-C to C cable plugged into a cigarette lighter charger. This is the Syncwire 38-watt charger we reviewed previously. See the description for links to some others we reviewed. As you can see, we have lots of flexibility even with the cable now plugged in. Now let's attach our Galaxy S24 Ultra and make sure it works. And it does. The magnets are strong and securely hold even a heavy phone like this one. With this setup, we can charge wirelessly at up to 15 watts. Plugging in a USB-C cable to a suitable wired charger would of course charge faster, at up to 45 watts on the S24 Ultra, but most of the time the convenience of this fully wireless setup is worth the slight trade-off. Overall, we've been very satisfied with the LISEN MagSafe charger mount. It's quite versatile, its compact size ensures your dashboard isn't cluttered, and its sophisticated design would look in place in almost any car. Check out the Amazon link in the description to get your hands on the LISEN mount. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and insights. See you next time.